Salam everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere, coming at you from Kobe, right outside of Kashan, Iran. Today I'm taking you to see the rose gardens and to see how rose water is made in a factory. I'm right here with my friend, going straight to the gardens. Mr. Taster is gonna meet us up right now. He's in the bus behind us. Let's go. Woo! Love this. Amazing. People here in Persia, number one. Whoa! It's amazing. Oh, what a beautiful day. It's really hot here in Kashan. In the mornings, nice breeze. In the afternoon, really hot. That's it? Right here? We made it? It's for me? No way. I guess because I'm bald, he's like, you have to have this scarf on your head. Oh yes. Looks good, right?
Kashan, Kashan.
Kashan. Yes. Okay. I don't understand what he's saying. Beautiful.
Gorgeous, yeah.
Oh, amazing. Thank you so much. All right, let's go see the rose.
Yeah.
Pega. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, wow, right here you have some of the roses, right? Beautiful. Oh, incredible.
Hello.
Salam.
Hello.
So these are the rose gardens, right? So big bushes, you get the roses. So right now they're picking them? They're just picking them all?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we are in the rose farms in Khave. It's almost out of season. They're telling me that 2 days ago it was lots of flowers, but the season is going to be finished really soon.
So when is season typically? Like April, May? Because right now is the last day of May, so it's done, right? So by June, no more flowers.
No more flowers in June. It depends on the weather. If it's cold, then the flowers coming a bit, later. So yeah, it's getting finished, but it's almost May, so April, May, but 4 weeks only.
Only 4 weeks?
Only 4 weeks.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This is the private garden, and so it means that the owner can carry the flowers from here to the factory. The factories distill rose water, and after that they can get back the rose water and they can get it back home, or they can sell to other shopkeepers or other people in Kashan or in Isfahan.
Nice.
Do I look good?
Yeah, you look good. It's nice right here. Yeah, little rose. Wow. Oh, the aroma. It's like fragrance just hitting you, like straight up perfume. Is the whole area of like this side of the town like this? Yeah? Just gardens?
If we go for Rabbi, the Rahab garden, it's 20 hectares. It's so big.
20 hectares like this? Yeah. Crazy. And this is nothing, right? This is just a few.
This is very small.
Very small.
Yeah. Just imagine 11 million trees.
11 million trees. Yeah. Wow. But I mean, in terms of like the bush, right?
Yeah.
It's really just packed, like in the full season, it's
like
packed.
2 days ago, 3 days ago.
No way.
It's all pink.
All pink. Wow. This is gorgeous.
We were lucky.
Yeah, we were.
I thought you were going to miss it.
You thought I was going to miss it?
Yeah, because I phoned them. They said there's no flowers anymore.
No way.
Yeah.
So May 29th?
Yeah.
Oh, May 31st. May 31st. We made it.
آفتاب اینجا خیلی چیز یه جوری که پوست سیاه میکنه.
He's saying the sun is making my skin black. It's really hot. Compared to Kashan, it's much warmer.
Yeah, during the day it's extremely hot. We got here to Kashan, like I think like 1 p.m. yesterday, and it was boiling. It was like 42, 43 Celsius. Really hot, over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Right now it's cool, 9 in the morning. We actually got here a little late. Should have been here at 7 in the morning, but it's all good. People are still picking the flowers. Beautiful. Oh, look at this. Got a red one in here. Oh, that's not a rose.
قشنگت میکنه، مست و ملنگت میکنه، قشنگتر از یه باغ گل از همه رنگت میکنه. برو بالا ببینم. ماشاءالله.
Mashallah. Amazing, amazing. Merci, merci. Merci, my friend. Merci, merci.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, goodbye. Mashallah, mashallah. Too kind, too kind. Thank you, merci, merci. Amazing. What an experience here. I'll never forget this. I'll never forget this in my life. Wow. Beautiful people. Hey, merci, 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 merci. Hey, my friend, merci. All right, let's go. Hamid, to the factory?
Yeah, let's go to the factory.
Let's go. Wow, love it here. This is truly beautiful, man. Just incredible. I'll never forget this, man. What an experience. You know, it's funny, just roses, but being here with the people,
Yeah.
different thing.
Amazing.
Amazing.
We're gonna go with bonnet.
Oh, we're going in that car? Do we fit in this car? What?
We're going inside.
Inside. Okay.
ما بیچاره با بنز از فرودگاه باید بریم اینجا.
That's an experience right here. It's very dusty.
What's your hands, please?
All right, guys, let's get back on the bus. We got about a 10-minute drive back to the factory. Woo, rose water. Can drink it all day.
سلام برسیم. خوبه برنامه چطوره؟
So it's like roses everywhere.
Everywhere, yeah.
Everywhere. Incredible. And what are these mountains here? So many mountains. It's just hills or like
Yeah, just here.
just hills, right?
Not
Beautiful.
famous, but yeah.
No, I know, but it really changes the scenery, right? I love it. Whether it's hot during the day, cold at night, it's like a desert
Yeah.
environment. So what are we gonna do at this factory? See the process?
To make rose water. Yeah, the process. You will see. It's amazing. 500 kilo roses, 500 kilo water.
Wow.
Yeah. And sometimes 500 kilo roses, sometimes 500 kilo rose waters
Oh, okay. So they
instead of water.
so it's double.
Double, yeah.
That's gonna be great. So these mountains are called the Zagros Mountain Range, from western Iran all the way down to southeast. Whoa!
Well done.
Oh yes, it's amazing. I love the Persian music, man. Incredible. Okay. Hey, salam, salam. We're going to the factory. Wow. Oh my gosh, the rose. The smell. Oh, hello. Salam, salam. So we did it a little backwards, right? This is the bottling side of the rose water factory. Here you got the plastic bottles. They get full of rose water, as you can see right here, and then it goes through the top, and then at the very end, it goes out and gets shipped. But let's go to the beginning, right? Let's see how they boil the water. This is where they distill the rose water. Whoa, look at the amount of roses. Salam, salam. Ali, it's a lot of roses. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I've never seen this. I've been in a lot of factories, but never one like this.
It's very different.
This is incredible. These are huge vats. We saw the process yesterday at a house, and that was tiny. These are monsters. Oh my gosh. Let me see. I don't even see the taster. Guys, look at this. So many flowers. So many roses. Woo! And it's so hot right here. The steam coming out. It's easily 100 degrees. I'm about to like break sweats. Oh, but the smell, the aroma. Flowers, nothing like it. Careful. Whoa. Let's do this. Whoa. Too much. Amazing. This is so cool. Okay, one back. I'm gonna do it better this time. I know, I know. Whoa! Look how full it is. Crazy. This is awesome, man. Okay, so the vats you see behind me are closed. They're gonna go for 3 hours and then the rose water is done. So it's 500 kilos of roses, 500 kilos of water or rose water. If they do rose water, it becomes even sweeter. So now they started to boil, they're gonna close the top, and then it's go for 3 hours. Okay, ready? Ready.
Let's go.
And the process continues and continues. So over there we have 500 kilo vats. These are 1 ton vats, and they just keep going, right? So they keep adding flower, roses, they close, same thing again and again and again, so everything's done. 3 hours later, it all comes out, and then they repeat. That's it. Thing next, we're gonna see the bottling one more time, and then try the rose water. Can't wait, this is gonna be amazing. So many roses, so many. Look at this. Oh my gosh. These guys are strong. Oh my God. I can't even do that. He does all this all day long, 8 hours a day. You're a strong man. Hey, mashallah, mashallah. Let's go, let's go.
The rose water coming inside here, and this is the main perfume.
That's
We use it in for perfume, yeah.
Wow.
Gold
Expensive,
perfume.
right? Expensive?
Really expensive. This one, almost 6,000 euros.
Per kilo?
Yeah, per kilo.
No way.
Yeah.
6,000 euro per kilo of this?
Let's take it home.
I'm taking it in my bag, man. I'll take 35 kilos. Oh, we came back to the bottling. Oh, okay, so here's the labels. So this is where they put the labels on the bottles. Wow. It's amazing, man.
David, this one telling us it's 12%. Any more would be better. And bitter, more delicious.
More delicious?
Yeah.
So 22% of rose, right?
Both, yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
So we saw how they made rose water. Then they put it through the bottling process. It bottles into plastic bottles. Then they label it. From their packaging, from there gets shipped out to all of Persia, right? To all of Iran.
Exactly. To the world.
To the world.
Yeah, whole
Okay.
world. And this is bottle, but they got very luxury packages as well.
Okay.
You're gonna see that.
Oh yeah? I gotta try some, man. I have to try at least one bottle. Give me a bottle.
For you.
Yeah, it's a little bitter.
Cheers.
It's a little bitter. Yeah, I think it needs some more, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, the thing you have is mixture with sugar, with other stuff as well.
Yeah, it is pure.
Yeah, pure.
Yeah, yeah. So yesterday I bought some at the house, and it was, the one we tried was a mix of 3 different things, right?
Yeah.
Like orange blossom, rose,
Exactly.
and then something else, right? But
And we even use it in some desert like Cholezard. It's really good.
Yeah?
You can use it everywhere.
I mean, you eat rose and drink rose all over
All
Iran.
over in Kashan especially, but in all Iran, yeah.
All right, we have one more thing to see here. One more thing. We're gonna try some very, very special rose water. Wow. Guys, what is this? The Sultan's house? This is like an oasis in the middle of the desert. Incredible. Oh wow, I would jump in that pool.
Water. Sukar.
And rose water. More water? All right, let's try it.
Salud.
Salud. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Wow, huh? Oh my gosh, it's incredible. So all he did was add sugar and water,
Yeah.
and it's just like sweet rose water.
Yeah.
This is definitely pure. Hey, my friend, thank you so much.
Thank
you for
you.
bringing me. Thank you, thank you.
خیلی ممنون.
Nothing like this. Nothing like this place. In the rose water factory, drinking rose water. The purest you can get. I'll never forget this. Wow.
This is the Sultan.
Oh wow. What is that?
This is for you?
This for me?
Yeah, let me show you.
No way.
Look. It's with pure gold. 24 karat gold flakes.
For me?
Yeah, for you.
No way. Guys, this is unreal.
Don't eat too much gold.
No, this is amazing. I'm gonna give this to my father. My
But you
father
know,
deserves it.
The real gold is the rose water for us.
For sure.
Yeah.
Wow, natural rose water with
And Raheb.
Raheb. Rabi.
Yeah.
That's the brand, right?
Yeah,
Rabi.
Rabi.
So Rabi is the brand. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video seeing how rose water is produced here in Persia, Iran. So where are we right now?
We are in near Kashan, so we are going straight to Isfahan.
Straight to Isfahan. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and subscribe to him.